Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today we're going to be making English pea salad. You see these English peas? Picked fresh this morning. Some cheddar cheese, sharp cheddar cheese that I grated. We have some of our sweet relish from 2016, salt and pepper, mayonnaise. Okay, this is the ingredients. Don't ask me how much. Y'all know me. If something doesn't work, just play with it. I'd say half a cup of maybe cheese. We're going to put about half of these peas. I don't know if we're going to put all of them. It's just me and Danny. I'm thinking that ought to be enough. So maybe half a cup of English peas. Okay, with the sweet relish, I'm just going to put a spoonful in, maybe 2 spoonfuls, and we'll taste in just a little bit. A little bit of pepper, little salt, and of course just a little bit of mayonnaise to hold it all together. All right, we've got everything mixed up. I forgot one of the ingredients, a boiled egg. You can put 1, 2, 3, whatever you want into your salad. It doesn't matter, but I'm putting 1. Danny and I don't eat a lot of boiled eggs. We eat a lot of eggs, but not a lot of boiled eggs. So we're just dicing it somewhat. And you're just going to make a little fresh salad. Some people can like to put corn, tomatoes, they can do anything. Cornbread is used in this a lot, crumbled up cornbread. You can add or take away whatever you like or don't like. That's the beauty of cooking from scratch. We're going to put this in the refrigerator and let it be chilling because this is a cold salad, okay? And we're going to have this with lunch. English pea salad. Doesn't that look awesome? This is what's for lunch today. Join us on the porch. Deep South Homestead. Lunch with Danny and Wanda. English pea salad. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.